Are you ready for the Queens of R&B tonight, Dallas? All right, so listen, before we start this thing, we got 3 rules tonight. Rule number 1, enjoy yourself. Rule number 2, enjoy yourself. And rule number 3, enjoy your motherfucking self. I think y'all know who this is. Do y'all know who this is, one of the queens? Okay.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I am your girl, Candy. And normally, I am not out here early. I normally don't come on till later with my group Escape. But today is the first day that my group that I'm developing, Siren, is going to be performing. And I want y'all to know that they got next. The Queens of R&B, you know, we have done our thing for so many years, but it's our time to open the doors for other women who have dreams to want to hit the stage. So everybody, please give it up for my girl, Siren!
And we are a girl group from Atlanta, Georgia. And y'all, we're actually signed to the Kandi Burruss herself. And we just wanted to take the time out to say thank you to Kandi, thank you to Escape, and thank you to SWV for allowing us to perform tonight.